Hi, everyone. Welcome to the other segment of this course, the mini-importation and e-commerce segment. And in this course, I will be explaining, product sourcing and all that. Now, one of the things I'll be explaining is, how to source for a product, how to conduct a proper product research and your market research, how to check the sellability of an item, and how to even cost and price it. And I will also be explaining, giving you examples of high selling products, and I'll be explaining different product sourcing websites. Okay, now before you import a product, you should conduct a, your product research. You should conduct your market research. Now, how do you do this? You look at a product, go around, go online, you can check any of these online platform and see the product, look around you, see what people buy. I don't like people reinventing the wheel. Just look at what sells around you. Okay, what you can see people around you. It means, okay, this product is good, people buy them. Okay, then you try to understand the product you want to buy. Remember, buying online is different from buying offline. When you are buying offline, you can feel the product you are buying. You can test the quality of the product you're buying by feeling them, by seeing them. But when you are buying online, you're not seeing anything, and you can't rely 100% on the pictures you see, because those pictures are enhanced. Okay, they edited to make it look better. Now, what you're supposed to do is you're supposed to know the product you are buying. You're supposed to know them. You're supposed to read a lot about them. And what I mean is, take human hair for example. If I'm buying human hair, there is difference between your synthetic hair and your Brazilian hair. There's a very big difference. And even in your Brazilian hair, there is very big difference between your 3A, your 4A, your 6A, your 7A, your 9A, your 10A. Okay, they are very, very different. So I should know that. I should know that. So without feeling it, I know that, oh, I'm buying 10A. It's high quality of Brazilian hair. Or I'm buying 3A is the lower version of Brazilian hair. Or this is Brazilian hair is different from your general synthetic hair. Okay, I don't have to feel it. I don't have the luxury to feel it. I just know this by reading about them. Now, you also need to understand what affects the price. Take the same hair example I made. You understand the factors that affect and influence the prices. Now, if I want to buy hair now, I understand that 8 inches will cost less than 18 inches, which will cost less than 28 inches. Okay, so these are the factors affecting price. It means length affects price, not just quality, the length. So you need to know the factors that affect price. And when you are conducting your feasibility studies, you have all this in mind as you check and check and check. And then you know, okay, if you are buying this product at the right price or not. Okay. Remember, you don't have the luxury to feel the product. You can only get what is in the product description. All right. Thank you very much for your time. Then we're also looking at the example of high selling product. I said I'm going to be explaining that. What sells? What sells? Look around you. Product that revolve around women, they sell. I don't do seasons, but people also depend on seasons. I'm going to be explaining that before I go into product that revolve around women. Now, your seasons are like your Christmas, your Valentine, so many other seasons like that. Your football seasons. I remember telling my students that, look, go Liverpool, they're about winning the Champions League. There is no way Tottenham would defeat Liverpool. Okay, so buy the product. Buy products. You will never walk alone. Things like that. And believe me, they are going to sell. So it's like that. Those are seasonal products that revolve around Christmas, that revolve around Salah, and all kinds of celebration. They will always sell. But they are seasonal products, and we can't scale them comfortably across all seasons. So that's why I don't do them that much. But you can do them, especially if you're around the season. Now, another product that you should look into, a product that revolve around women. Okay, product that revolve around women. This is because women, one, they have higher purchasing power, more disposable income. I think that's the right word, more disposable income than men. Men may have higher purchasing power, but women have more disposable income. Another thing is, there's a product I sold, and it's purely product that revolves around men. No streamer. The first time I sold no streamer, I made some of the supplies myself. And guess what? In my adverts, the people I targeted were all men because, come on, women don't grow hair, through their nostrils. So I targeted men. Men liked the comments, they shared it, they commented, they liked the post, they commented, they shared the post and all that. But guess the people that were actually buying, they were all women. They were all women. And when I asked them, who are you buying it for? Oh, I'm buying it for my dad, for my husband, for my boyfriend, for my brother. I saw them share it. I saw them like it. So I figured out, they're going to like it. So I decided to buy. Those were the responses I got. So women have more disposable income, okay, than men. Another thing is women like variety of product. Check, compare your shoes and that of your wife, your shoes and that of your sister, your shoes and your father's shoes and that of your mother. Now you find something strange. You find out that, look, is about maybe 1 to ratio 10 or thereabout. So for every 10, shoes, you have one for the guys, for the men. So it's one of the reasons. So women buy more. Same thing with wristwatches. A man will just have one or two and it's okay. A women will have about 7, 10, 15, and they are still complaining. They still want more. It's their nature. So if you are selling anything, especially if you've not done it before, you should start with products that revolve around women. All right, in our next segment, I will be explaining product sourcing websites, the different kind of websites, and how to buy from them. Thank you.